Welcome back to Fridge Rider Incorporated. Today we're going to be running out of plug space. I have this guy doing all the work and it works great, but I think I need another one. I couldn't find that exact one on Amazon, but I found this one for 50 bucks. It's probably the same thing, just different color, probably made in the same factory. So let's see if we can install it. Step one, all you got to do is mount this bracket on the ceiling. That was easy, so that takes 1 minute. And then all you got to do, this thing's got some holes in it, and this pin, it's got a cotter pin too. I don't think I ever used that on the last one. So all you do, slide it into place like this. It swivels, I think. No, it doesn't, but this swivels, so that's okay. So put this into place and slide your pin through. Like so. I don't recall putting the pin in the last one, but it's in here. Safety first, so put the cotter pin in and then you're off to the races. Done.